everyone, it's Melissa with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Edgecombe County Center. Helping me today is our summer intern, Grayson.
Hey guys!
In this video, we will be demonstrating the bubble maker experiment from the Pop Bottle Science Experiment Book. If you have registered for the Pop Bottle Experiments through our 2020 Summer Fun program, you'll have the experiment book, measuring spoons, and your bottle top to follow along. So let's get started.
So you'll need a mixing bowl filled halfway with water, your teaspoon measuring spoon to measure your sugar, and a few drops of dish soap, as well as your cap to your pop bottle without the cap.
The first step in this experiment is to fill a bowl halfway with water. Then add several squirts of dishwashing detergent. The next step is to add a teaspoon of sugar. You may do multiple experiments because based on the size of the bowl you're using, you may need more sugar or more detergent. Next, you want to make sure that the mixture is thoroughly stirred together. The purpose of this experiment is to observe why bubbles are round. A bubble is an air-filled drop of water. Air is pushing out in the water as water is pushing back on the air. These equal forces create the sphere shape of a bubble. As the experiment book stated, we tried blowing through multiple openings on the bottle top. We didn't have much luck trying to make small bubbles. Then we tried making large bubbles by turning our bottle top over and blowing through the small opening. This is when we had the most success. Although we never got a complete bubble due to them popping, you can see the sphere shape already starting to form. Now I'd call that one a success. Thanks for watching.